This is the area fixers to get the surplus parts in Sanaya 6, Sharjah, UAE. Hello fixers. We tried to fix our seat belt, but there was no chance because of the wear and tear of the gear. So it was it's on my side, the driver's side. So almost every day I'm using. So it's a 2008 model. That's why the gear, like there's some gear that was broken. So it cannot recoil or retract. So we have to go for. I tried for brand new, no chance. So I'm here in Sharjah, UAE to get the surplus. It's better also here because it's from Japan, so I have to check it properly. We have a lot of seat cars here. I mean parts. Everything is here. So area. Alhamdulillah, we got the parts. There we go, fixers. So we got the what's this? Surplus parts. I was planning to wash this one, but since we are going to go for passing, it's overdue already. It's like 5 dirhams per day. You have to look for something to insert. Yeah. Got it? I hope you get the technique. The technique. So we'll keep it here. So this is the only one you will remove. And it's very simple. Like 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts only, plus the plug socket. Now, first you have to put this one. From inside to out. Okay. Hold it like this. Should be straight. Then put it here. Here's one slot, two. These 2 slots. I hope you can see. The 2 slots will be here. See? Okay. Well, now you have to tighten this one. Very tight. Very tight. I'm using the pipe wrench. Then sponsors. So we're still here in Sharjah. So this is the last part. Sharjah again is the next Emirates of Dubai. It's about, I don't know, 100, maybe 80 kilometers from 30 in Dubai, but in Jebel Ali where I'm staying it's around maybe 80. I will check later, maybe 80 to 100, but this is where I can buy the surplus parts. Yes. Good to go for passing, repassing. So now you can pull slowly, it's okay. Pull, release, retracting, sudden. This is where I failed because it will not stop. So it's dangerous when we will have an accident. So it will not hold. This is the purpose of the seatbelt. So they're very strict. Not just the gas, the lights, the brakes, everything they will check. And because a Filipino who checked my car, I did not ask for any favor because I know it's not good on his side. And for my safety also, I have to change it. So that's all. This is how to replace the seatbelt. I